have is how to maintain sustainability. So we identified culture as the most important, the second important factor to maintain sustainability. So we divided the culture into the top management culture, the middle management, and the team management culture. So in the top, the top management should have a culture of no blame. So you don't pinpoint that it's due to you that's happening. The top management should be able to accept a failure. By accepting failure, they should realize that we are learning, and by learning we grow. So this is basically the approach that has to be accepted by the top management. And we also, in the agile framework, we said that top management should adopt a no title culture, so that like developer, senior developer, tech lead, architect, and so I mean that everybody should be at the same title. Then we in certain companies there's an overtime culture where people who do overtime seem to be very hardworking and brilliant people. So they should instead focus on the results and not on the time. So this is the kind of culture that a top management should try to implement in the company. Now for the middle management, that's the most difficult part of an agile implementation, is the hardest for the middle management. So I'll just come to that a little later. First I will go for the team. In the team, we mean by all the three product owners, Scrum Master, and the developer. So here we have identified one set as there should be a no hero culture in the team. They should be self-managed. They should be able to win together, collaborative, and there should be a transparency in the team. The team should have a culture of simplicity. So whatever they do, they probably should get together and try to get the simplest solution, which will be the fastest and the most effective for the company. As a team, there should be a team appraisal. There should be a shared goal, growth and motivation, because the top management is following a no title culture. So probably few years down the line, if there are no titles, but similarly if they have a salary which is equivalent to a tech architect and with the title of director, there should not be an issue. That is what we feel. Now, as a coach, in helping the team, the coach should lead by example. So whenever there is a new team, he should always show them how it is to be done. As a coach, we should always be hand-holding and showing them the right way. If there are mistakes, he should be able to make them correction in them, and he should always be there when they require them. So even after the situation, he should always be there, and he should create a rapport and trust. So the middle management.